Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the Windows version and build so you apply the right fixes. Create a restore point and a quick user backup. This protects data if something goes wrong. Once done, run Windows Update and install all critical security patches, then restart to finalize updates. Make sure to disconnect unnecessary external drives during updates. If updates fail, jot the error code. You'll use it for targeted troubleshooting in the next phase. Next, run a full Windows Defender offline scan to catch stubborn malware that hides during normal operation. While that scans, harden accounts. Remove admin rights from daily users and enable Windows Hello or a strong PIN. Once the scan finishes, turn on controlled folder access, configure firewall rules, and enable BitLocker for fixed drives to protect data at rest. Make sure to document any change settings so you can revert safely. These steps block common attack paths and reduce future risk. Finish by verifying update history, scanning Event Viewer for security errors, and confirming Windows Defender shows no threats. Once done, re-enable any previously disabled services one at a time and test apps and network access so you can spot which change caused a problem. If something still fails, run System File Checker, SFC/Scano, and then dism Restore Health to repair system files. These commands often fix corrupt components.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.